morning, Swamiji. Another problem we face in the school is indiscipline. And it appears like, when we talk to the children, for a while they're okay. But again, they revert back to the same. So it becomes difficult.
When you say indiscipline, it's all are indisciplined.
There are cases. It's not like the entire school is indisciplined. But then, some segment is improving, the other segment starts, taking in.
I don't know exactly the situation, but to some extent, can we not accept that also? I remember my own school days when our one headmaster was very punishing. Every day he would come with a new stick, because the stick in one day it will break by beating us. So by the time he would enter the class, by the back window, we used to jump over the window, the class will be empty by the time he has taken the record. So as such, the headmaster, I think he would have always said that it's a very indisciplined students. But to some extent we can, what is it? Again, we have to understand what is the situation, what is making them indisciplined. You explain to them the discipline, the value of discipline, and see how they... But at the same time, we should accept some sort of indisciplined behavior also. Those days this park was a full forest. We used to call Bhuturbon. This where the Jubilee Park is there, behind that. It was a thick, deep forest. So sometimes I was studying in Nambagan, that Shakti Higher Secondary School. Sometimes we would run away from the school and go to the forest and take a canoe from there and go across the river, go to the village and come back, and somehow manage the classes that we were doing. So some naughty behavior is good for the students also. I have always felt that whatever I did, it has paid me in a very good manner. But if it is a large scale indiscipline, then something to do with the school, the teachers, other teachers also, you have to meet and find out the reason. A general solution cannot be given. Do you have any prayer or anything in the beginning? You have. They participate there. Are the students punctual? They come on time regularly? Are they too much punished? The punishment should be less. I have seen in a college, actually, in Aurobindo Ashram, there is a college called Knowledge. Their college is called Knowledge. It's on the beach. So there, when we went, we found that in the class, just as you entered the class, there is a big board where one boy had misbehaved. So that is written on the board, that he had misbehaved, whatever, I don't remember the detail. That is written on the board. I talked to the main person there who was leading the college. He said, this is our way of punishment. If we write down what the boy has done, and everybody entering, going, they are seeing that what the boy has done, he doesn't repeat it anymore. That is a very good punishment, just mentally, because they are of course good students, not very bad students. There are ways to deal with it. If you speak about it detail, that knowing that indiscipline, something other might be suggested also. That exactly what is causing the indiscipline and what are they, we have to go into it.